The present story awakens the feeling of patriotism in society. The protagonist of the lesson, Captain, is a patriotic citizen despite being an ordinary person. He never allows Netaji to remain without his glasses. Through this story, the author wants the countrymen should not forget the sacrifices of the people and give them due respect. The summary of the story is as follows. Haldar Sahib had to pass through that town every 15th day in connection with the company's work. That town was very small. There were only markets and concrete houses. The town also had a boys' school, a girls' school, a small cement factory, 2 open-air cinemas, and a municipality. A statue of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose was installed at the main intersection of the town. Netaji's statue was made of marble, but the glasses were not made of marble, but a wide black frame of normal and real glasses was worn on the statue. When Haldar Sahib passed through that town for the first time and stopped at the crossroads to eat pan, his attention went towards that statue. What an idea! The statue is made of stone but the glasses are real. The second time when Haldar Sahib passes through that town, he sees a difference in the statue. Today instead of thick-framed glasses, there are round glasses with a wire frame. For the third time, he again saw a new pair of glasses on Netaji's statue. Now Haldar Sahib had gotten used to stopping at the crossroads while passing through that town, eating pan, and seeing the glasses on Netaji's statue being changed. On asking the panwala, Haldar Sahib came to know that Captain Chashmwala does the job of changing the glasses on the statue. Whenever a customer comes and wants the same glasses, he removes them from the statue, sells them, and puts another frame in their place. Due to this, a new pair of glasses is always on the statue. Captain was none other than a very old, frail, lame man who used to roam around with a Gandhi cap on his head, dark glasses on his eyes, a small box in one hand, and a lot of glasses hanging on a hook in the other. Haldar Sahib did not like the joke that the panwala told about him. Haldar Sahib passed through that town for 2 years and kept seeing the changing glasses on Netaji's statue. Sometimes the glasses would be round, sometimes square, sometimes red, sometimes black, sometimes sunglasses, sometimes go-go glasses with big lenses. Then once it happened that there were no glasses of any kind on the face of the statue. Even when he passed by the statue for the second time, the glasses of the statue were missing. On asking the panwala, he came to know that Captain had died. On hearing the news of Captain's death, Haldar Sahib became dejected. Now, where would there be a patriot like Captain who could see Netaji's statue without glasses? So Haldar Sahib decided that when he passed through this town, he would neither stop here nor eat pan. He also gave the same instruction to his driver, but as per his habit, while passing through the town, his eyes turned towards the statue and he is surprised to see the glasses on the statue. He immediately instructs the driver to stop and moves towards the statue, and what does he see? The children had put glasses made of reeds on the statue of Netaji. Haldar Sahib gets emotional on seeing this and his eyes fill up with tears. Dear students, if you found this explanation helpful, please share this video with your friends so they can also benefit from it. I've included links to summaries of other lessons in the description. Be sure to check those out as well. For more lesson explanations, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.